Before hellos people.
People.
In today's video we're gonna we're gonna be showing you how to be peaceful, calm, and chained together.
Let's roll. In this game, it's all about staying calm.
Do you want to escape the flames?
Don't let Mr. Devilman concern you.
Don't forget to hydrate while playing this game. It calms the mind.
First.
Stop.
Let's roll. What do you think you're doing, mate? First, you have to jump on this ladder. Chain, same thing.
Chain together, that's the point of the game. You have to edge the laser, that's the only way to win the game.
Okay, now you have to step on this.
You know, this is the only way you have to go.
We're so good.
This is the only way to get through.
As you can see, I very much helped there. You have to full sprint this part, or else you're banned. Full sprint is the only way. Way! Oh my days! You have to do the hay bale strat.
You forgot about rule 1, which is stay calm.
I'm sorry.
You have to stay calm or you'll never succeed.
Whoa! What you got, mate? Stop it. Yeah. Okay, guys, you have to tap into the. You have to tap into the zone. Oh no! Jay, no!
Well done. You've climbed
Well
the
done,
ladder.
you've climbed the ladder.
Feeling proud.
Feeling proud, are you? Climb.
Climb. But don't get too carried away. This ladder leads only to a...
Do you want me to let go of something?
No! No, bro! Just sniper, you watch a snipe, guys. Oh my days.
That's why you're pulling me. They added new physics, look.
Intimidating, but if you stay peaceful, Blacksmiths bro style, you win.
They're gonna get hit.
Stay calm, guys.
The Blacksmith Bros is... If you fail, that means you must try again and you shall succeed.
You must stay calm at all times. The only way is to stay calm. You'll never succeed. You guys have to stay calm at all times.
Failed again. But we must stay calm.
You have to stay meditating during this part.
Feel free to go on our website audiobookiums.com and subscribe to our Patreon to listen to our free audiobooks on how to stay calm. Stay generous.
Let's have to do this strategy or through L's.
No, your L's.
Up your mates!
Yo.
Oh, stay calm. Patience is key. I'm pulling you, mate! On my force!
I stayed calm, that's how I got up.
Where do we go from here? I forgot.
We stayed calm, this is how we have come thus far.
This is how we become the guns.
What is that platform in my way?
My days! No! Stay calm at all times.
Not once have we gave up, once in our lifetime. This is how we have come thus successful.
I must take a sip of my iced tea.
I am very calm, this is how I'm gonna make this jump.
We can just jump straight to the platform.
We just like cut back up there.
Okay, guys.
I don't know how I'm a new character, but we're back.
That was quite a bad fall we just had there, but we stayed calm.
I stayed calm and I changed my character to come back.
Oh, just stay calm. It's key. Break. No.
The spacebar didn't work.
We have to use a different strategy approach. We are back again for the 6th time. The Blacksmith brothers never get. They always prevail. That was first.
As you can see, that was our first attempt and we stayed calm the whole time. Calmer than before because we had made that accomplishment.
We're just too good at the game. We need to
If
be
you
studying
speedrun
our
and you
lives.
stay calm, you win.
You just have to get in the meditation zone. That was the clutch.
Folks and folky men, we're back.
Folks and jokes and jokes and jokes. We're back.
Okay.
You think you're going? Whoa! As you can see, that was just mind linking abilities.
This is an absolutely incredible experience. I'm witnessing it through my eye sockets. We have arrived in our area. And we are calm.
You clearly don't know I'm the professional.
You have to let me drive. You have to let me drive. Never mind. We're calm. This is real life experience, and this game shows that. This devil represents someone talking to you in your mind, but you shall ignore them, and you'll always be free. Same as you must never let anyone stop you in your battles.
This fire represents us, never burning out.
And good culture.
That was just.
As you can see, I'm even more calm than last time.
The full meditation powers are required for this section ahead.
We must speedrun to stay calm. I had some calm iced tea.
This spike is nothing to me. It's an inferior species.
We must speedrun again to stay
As you
calm
can
on
see,
the ice
we are
cubes.
the professionals in the cubes. That was absolutely like
No struggles, only calm.
I felt
If you want to beat such a game, you must only
I felt
meditate.
the power pulling within me there. That was 100% no casualties.
I'm 100% Charles Dickens. Can I stop climbing, please?
This is absolutely like when the Blacksmith Rose.
That was
couldn't even
light
stop
work
us.
only.
Just falling asleep just then. That is called the skip strap.
Onwards into the whispering vault shall we
As
go.
you can see, we just entered the temple. We'll start to be able to hear the whispers of enemies in this tunnel.
As you can see, we've arrived at the next cut of the video.
Oh, you gotta keep your muscles with blacksmiths.
We must
It's
go.
heavy work.
If you want to be a part of the blacksmith roles, you have to get muscles in your arms and legs and toes.
And everything above the toes.
You must be able to lift weights with your eyes. That is how strong you have to be to join.
Now, if you go on this ladder, you're inferior. Oh, what?
We are calm, and that is how we're back.
Still warm up. I wanted you to waste some time before realizing your ineptitude.
I'm calm.
The real game starts now.
He was just meditating.
Good
on that
luck.
boat.
You'll need it.
stay calm. This is not even that bad of a fall.
This calls it for the end of episode of part 1.
That's the end of our episode, the part 1. Twitch.com/the build bros.
The Build Barrels Bros.
Twitch.com/the build barrel bros.
Stay happy, stay healthy, stay...
And most importantly, stay calm.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you would like to see more, then press like and subscribe. The hammer blesses you for another day.